Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, so you don't end up with a drone that thinks it's a lawnmower. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones, comparing two popular models, the ATTOP drone and the VISNEE newest drone. Let's see which one will soar and which one will crash and burn. Spoiler alert, there might be some epic fails. First up, let's talk about what everyone wants in a drone, a killer camera. The ATTOP drone comes with a 1080p 120 degrees FOV camera. Reviewers say it's like having a mini James Cameron on board, offering high-resolution pictures that can be controlled with the ATTOP Club app. On the other hand, the VISNEE drone boasts a 90 degrees manually adjustable 2K HD camera. While it packs more pixels, you have to adjust the angle manually, which some users find inconvenient. One reviewer mentioned that despite the higher resolution, the lack of an electronic stabilizer affects the overall image quality. Now, onto the flight time. The ATTOP drone comes with three 1,100 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 30 minutes in the sky. Reviews highlight the convenience of having multiple batteries, even if it means remembering to charge them all. The VISNEE drone also offers 30 minutes of flight time, but uses two 1,800 mAh batteries. Though evenly matched in flight duration, reviewers appreciate the fewer pit stops needed with VISNEE's larger battery. Let's talk about the fun stuff. ATTOP is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, featuring voice control, 360 degrees flips, and AG sensor for VR glasses. Reviewers love the range of tricks and commands it can perform. VISNEE, on the other hand, offers one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and automatic obstacle avoidance. Users appreciate its safety features, making it a reliable choice for beginners. How easy are these bad boys to fly? ATTOP has a one-key return function, altitude hold, and even an emergency stop. Reviews often mention that it's so easy. Even tech-challenged individuals can fly it. VISNEE isn't far behind with its one-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode, making it user-friendly. However, the ease of use in ATTOP, combined with its additional safety features, gives it a slight edge. Finally, let's talk money. The ATTOP drone will set you back $109. It's a bit of a splurge, but reviewers say the quality justifies the cost. The VISNEE drone is a more budget-friendly option at $59, which makes it accessible for more people. Despite its lower price, users still find it offers good value for its features. Summarizing the reviews, ATTOP drone is praised for its versatility, user-friendliness, and responsive customer service, although some users experienced malfunctions. VISNEE newest drone is appreciated for its affordability, safety features, and build quality, but some users reported issues with connectivity and durability. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone is a feature-packed marvel for those who want a little bit of everything, while the VISNEE newest drone is a solid, affordable option for beginners. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying, and may your drones always find their way home.